Okay, I'm going to teach you how to make a Theodorus spiral. Put a point out here. Now, Theodorus was an ancient Greek. He was a friend of Socrates. He's mentioned in Plato's writings. All right, got a point. Another point out to the edge there. So I just made a circle of whatever I'm going to determine to be my unit length. Okay, and then I'm going to make it a 90. Out to the other edge. Okay, looks pretty good. This triangle is a 45, 45, 90. Now, if you're familiar with the Pythagorean theorem, this is unit length 1, unit length 1. This hypotenuse is root 2. Okay, now check this out. If you go measure out one more unit length from the edge here, and then do a 90 from there, a little long there. Okay, a little long, so right there. This 90 here. Now you've got a side that's root 2, and a side that's 1. And you connect it here. If you do Pythagorean theorem, this you're going to get root 3. Now, if you go, you measure it out again. And I'm going to make another 90 degree. I'll work kind of quick here. There we go. And then you connect it here. You got one side unit length, one side root 3, which will give you a hypotenuse of root 4. Now that pattern continues on, and you can make a whole spiral out of it. Boom. That's what it'll look like if you keep going on and on and on and on. This, you can find the length compared to 1 of any of the radicals. Pretty radical, yeah? All right. In another video, I'll show you how to use it. So this isn't just a neat, fun design. You can actually use this to solve some trigonometry. I'll do that in another video, though. That is the Theodorus spiral.